Today we are making classic vanilla pudding, smooth, creamy and packed with flavor. It's easy, it's comforting, and once you try homemade, you'll never go back to store-bought. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add 96 ml of milk. Then whisk in 20 grams of cornstarch, 40 grams of sugar, 1 egg yolk. Keep whisking until the mixture turns a smooth, pale yellow. This will help create that silky pudding texture. Now pour the rest of the milk, sugar and salt into a saucepan and keep stirring until a gentle boil. Once the milk is hot, transfer a third of it to the egg mixture while whisking constantly. This step slowly raises the temperature of the eggs, preventing them from scrambling when we combine everything. Now pour the tempered egg mixture into the saucepan with the remaining milk. Keep whisking continuously over medium heat until the pudding thickens and comes to a gentle boil. Remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in 6 grams of butter and a teaspoon of vanilla paste. The butter adds richness while the vanilla brings out the classic comforting flavor. Pour the pudding into serving dishes and let it cool slightly. Then cover each one with plastic wrap. Refrigerate overnight for best texture. And that's it, smooth, creamy, homemade vanilla pudding. Perfect on its own or topped with fresh berries and jam. Enjoy!